If your project is finished or no longer active, archiving it in ProofHub helps you keep your workspace clean without permanently deleting anything. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to archive projects in ProofHub step by step in 2026. First, sign in to your ProofHub account and go to your main dashboard where all active projects are listed. Next, find the project you want to archive. Make sure it's the correct one, since archiving will move it out of your active project list. Now open the Project Settings menu. This is usually found inside the project dashboard under a Settings or Options icon. Next, click on the Archive Project option. ProofHub will ask you to confirm before proceeding. Confirm your action when prompted. Once confirmed, the project will be moved to the Archived section and removed from your active workspace. If you ever need to view it again, you can access archived projects from the Archived or Inactive Projects section in your workspace. If needed, you can also restore an archived project back to active status with just one click from the Archived section. Before archiving, make sure all tasks are completed, files are saved, and your team has no pending work. This keeps your records clean and organized, and that's how to archive projects in ProofHub. Yeah, archiving helps you keep your workspace organized while still preserving important project history. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.